Yeah, hello, amazing customers. We are working in Kasoa, opekuma, and I'm here today to share a update with you. You see, so fortunately, I not come early. So they are down to some a level, and they are trying to, increase the scaffolding for tomorrow job. You see, because after you build your house in Ghana here, kindly leave a portion for a natural stones, cause a natural stones beautify your home. It will give attention to your building. You see, as you can see. So these are the stone material that you are using. You see, these are the stone material that you are using for this job. As you can see. So this is my battalions. You see. You see. So this be the front view. Nice one. I always saying that after you build your house in Ghana, kindly leave a portion for a natural stones. You see, cause it is so necessary. Cause a natural stones increase the value of your building. A natural stones is good, on natural, because the color will never fade away. You see, the color will never fade away. It is natural. Yeah, so as for this contract, the design be L, you see, and you join for the pot in top. So here to here and here to here like this. Like yeah, yonko. You see. So the design be L. You see, like this, and like this go like this, as you can see. So nice and beautiful. Yes, yeah, stones. What else in our home? Says the Obana propose here and I go to home America. Oh boy. Yeah, it's kind of so on and then all the year. It's all sending momo. What they go here? Yeah, no, pay your conduct. Charlie. Say, man, everything cool. Okay. But making no with that guy, no, if Pharisees. If Pharisees. Men for Pharisee in Nancy. I will know onye, or a bad person. Obama massive onye. Onye. Bro, I will know obecha picky mo. Obecha selecting mo. Order is obe selecting mo na. Yes, you. Hey, you might be enough for more. But this how it didn't be dangerous one. The thing not be for go, be for this small. Uh, they every kid they see plenty now like go feed. That be also like they come down. If you go come down. They be nyamutre ya ona ire mi no nyamutre ona ire mi no bro nyamutre ba we se scafo se we no siaman bro leda usuru na samu ndo chwa asina na kanya hizi mamo ana bro shade siaman ana Azik la paix position for here ka mo ku bianda o menu na surabio alo pelo na surabio no kozelo na surabia ke ya o yare ona egalo na ona palogo ya na bia tamena bia cho Juma didn't end up for more. Yeah, so by tomorrow you start installation, you see. So that be how the process look like. You try to send the stones to the top today, and tomorrow we continue the installation. The name is Steven Stone Design. It's all about a good job across the country, you see. So nice and beautiful natural stone cladding work across the country, you see. Whatever it is, give us a call. We work across the country, you see.